lemonade for the Commodore 64 computer, which can be off your Commodore 64 starter kit on cassette, your bonus cassette pack from Commodore, or your public domain series business from Commodore. Lemonade, already loaded and ready to go. Your instructions are: you've decided to run a lemonade stand for 10 days this summer in order to make some money, Saturdays, and you find running a stand costs money. Your job is to make as much profit as you can. Your family agrees to stake you $10 in order to get you started. At the end of the summer you will have to return the $10, but you will not need to pay interest. Certain information about the cost of components required for your lemonade will be displayed at the bottom of the screen. It is up to you to decide how much of those components you wish to buy, depending on the market outlook for the day. Finally, don't always rely on the weather forecast. It comes from Environment Canada, and you know what that means. It would be wise to check the actual temperatures and to make any changes in your purchases based on that information. If you keep your price low, you will sell more lemonade, but you'll make less money on the sale. On hotter, humid days, you wish to sell more lemonade and also be able to charge more per cup. Increase the demand for product. When the wet bulb reading is close to the temperature, it is a humid day. To the best of our knowledge, this program is public domain, and if it's not the case, please contact Commodore Business Machines. Lemonade by Unknown. This program will run on any pet Commodore 64 computer or Commodore 64 computer. And to begin, you enter your name, and you'll operate your stand for 10 weeks on Saturday. To begin with, temperature is in the 70s and low humidity. Sugar is $1.06 for a 5 kilo bag. We'll get 3 of those. Why not? 2 liters of concentrate is 73 cents a liter. We'll get 4 of those. And 98 cents for a bag of 100 cups. Well, let's get 3 of them. 76.76. Do you want to change any of the items? No, let's start off with this. Price in cents for lemonade. We'll go 7 cents a cup. I don't think sales will be too robust. I made 79 sales at 7 cents a cup at $5.53. 7 cents was the best price for the day. I'm a good businessman. Okay, in the 90s and low humidity. $1.07 for a 5 kilo bag. Looks like we're good on sugar for right now. 75 cents a liter. I'm going to need some more concentrate, aren't I? And I think we're doing good on cups. 93 cents for a bag. 101. Wet bulb 100. Wow. Well, let's sell for 26 cents. It should go through quite a bit. Made 95 sales at 26 cents a cup, gross $24.70. You could have grossed 27.6 today if you charged 20 cents. Oh. Okay. $1.02 for 5-kilo bag. We'll get 3 of them. 75 cents a liter. Get 6 of those. And 4 bags of cups. 98.94. No, I don't want to change anything. No. So we'll go 19 cents. Since 20 cents was good on a 100-degree day. Boom, boom, boom. Made 120 sales at 19 cents a cup. I grossed $22.80. I could have grossed $23.36 today if I charged 16 cents. In the 70s. I don't think we'll get anything. Even though that's a good price on just about everything. 78. We'll go 6 cents. Week number 4. Made 75 sales at 6 cents a cup and grossed $4.50. Could have made $4.55 if I charged 7 cents. Temperatures in the high 90s. Well, we get a bag, 1 bag, and more concentrate. I'm good on cups. 96 and 88. No changes. And what was that? 16 cents a cup. Week number 5 on the lemonade stand. And here we go again. Made 96 sales, 15 of what it charged 14 cents. Week number 6. 2 of those. 1 of those. 69 and 67. Going to make for some pretty weak sales. 8 sales at 6 cents a cup. I made 48 cents. If I would have charged 5 cents, I might have made 60 cents. Oh well. In the 70s. Nope. 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 That's right, I'm gouging my customers at 7 cents a cup. $22 sales at 7 cents, $1.54. I could have grossed $1.70 if I charged 5 cents. Oh well. Week number 8. Looks like I'm still ahead of the game. In the 80s. I think I'm good on everything. I'm gouging the customers at 8 cents a cup on week number 8. Why not? Lemonade has a random weather patterns. It's different each time you play it. Made 115 sales at 8 cents a cup. It rose $9.20. You could have grossed $9.27 if it charged 9 cents. I suppose you could make a chart of everything that goes. Week number 9, get a couple more bags of sugar. Running low on cups, so we'll do that. 85 price and lemonade. 9 cents. Gouging them. In the 9th week of summer, it's been a rather cool summer. Don't expect to make a whole lot of money this summer. $110 sales at 9 cents a cup, $9.90. 9 cents was the best price. Hey, I'm a good businessman. That's the second time this summer. In the 90s, we got 14 kilograms of sugar, so I probably don't need any more sugar. I'll get 2 more of those, and I don't think I'll need any more cups. 103 and 94. Going out of business sales, so we'll charge 17 cents a cup. Week number 10, the last week of the summer. Hopefully I can run out of my inventory. Over $80. $150 sales at 17 cents a cup, $25.50. At $83.37. You could have gross $25.74. Everyone 18 cents. December's over. I've made $83.37. You owe your family $10, so you earned $73.37 this summer. You have 230 cups, 6 bottles of lemon juice, and 6 kilograms of sugar left over. And that's lemonade. I hope you enjoyed that little run through. Please like, subscribe, comment if you need to. Thank you.